Hello, today I will be comparing Proctor Silex FrontFill drip coffee maker versus Hamilton Beach 12 cup programmable drip coffee maker with 3 brew options. Be sure to watch to the end and I will tell you which is better. Links to all the products are in the description. Brewing options: Hamilton is better, capacity is high, material build is high, brew strange control Hamilton is better, programmable feature Hamilton is better, water reservoir Proctor is better, keep warm function is high, auto shut off is high, green is high, milk froze is high, dimensions Proctor is better, ease of cleaning is high, care of type is high, compatibility is high, price Proctor is better, special features Hamilton is better. If you want to get the most powerful durable device that will really taste good making coffee, then the best choice will be the Hamilton Beach 12 cup programmable drip coffee maker with 3 brew options. The link to buy it is in the video description.